That way. Do it now. Yeah, alright. We're going to finish it up. Here, I'm going to light it up. It's too good. Hold on with that car. Wait. Turn the fucking house down.
Hey, you know we can get a ticket for this, right?
Okay, it sounds popular.
Still can get a ticket because it could cause a fire.
Fuck it, let's go for fire. So, what's it? We gotta fix it.
Come on, hit it! I've been recording for this. Wow, you suck ass.
What the hell?
Get that shit, nigga.
What you trying to...
This shit right here.
Oh, okay, hold up.
This shit
I
right
got
here.
it. You can't hit it on the floor. If I throw it, would you be able to hit it?
No. I would. I probably would.
Yeah, you probably hit me though.